Evidence against George Huguely at his murder trial as it moved into its fifth day today. Well, today the jury watched his police interrogation tape. That conversation took place just hours after Yardley Love's death, when Huguely was being sought as a person of interest. Joining me now to talk about more of the trial's first week as it wraps up is CBS 6 legal analyst Todd Stone. Todd, great to see you. Thanks for coming in.
Thanks. Good
Todd, 5 days into it right now, we haven't seen much emotion from George Huguely. Today, we saw a lot of emotion in the courtroom right after they played that tape. Tell us about what sort of intentions the prosecutors have.
Well, you know, the prosecutors have videotaped the interview with Mr. Huguely, so you can't really deny it. So he's sitting there watching himself make this statement just hours after this offense was committed. And so in the statement, he's admitted to many things that really are going to hurt him here. One of the things is that he admits that he kicked in the door. So that helps to show malice. It helps to show his rage, which is important for proving a murder. You have to prove the malice in order to get a premeditated murder, which is first degree, or a second degree murder. But more importantly, you know, the defense attorney here has sort of admitted that maybe this is an accidental killing. I think this is an accidental killing and therefore should be manslaughter. Well, you know, an accidental killing in this case could amount to a second degree murder because the prosecutors have charged him under alternative theories. They've charged him both with a normal murder and then also with a felony murder. And if you, in Virginia, commit a murder that is accidental and it's in the commission of another felony, then it's felony murder, and that means second degree, and that means 5 to 40 years. So even if the jury believes this was accidental, it's really not a manslaughter most likely. It's probably a second degree murder.
Is this a gamble by the defense?
I think it is a gamble. I think it cuts both ways. There's a lot of two-edged swords in this. I mean, the defense must sound reasonable. They can't say, well, he didn't do it. They can't say, well, you know, he didn't do anything wrong. You know, the jury's just, you're going to lose credibility with a jury. So I think it's smart in some sense, but on the next level, you know, because the prosecution has him charged under these alternative theories, it really, if you're admitting it was accidental, then you're also kind of admitting to a felony murder, which is 5 to 40 years in a second degree.
Our CBS 6 legal analyst, Todd Stone, thank you so much for your insight.
Sure.
And if you want to have a whole web page dedicated to the trial and follow it, you can just go to WTVR.com, including a section with live updates from the courtroom via Twitter. Steph?
Greg, next we're going to show you a video